Session 4, Jump Statements. So this session is a continuation of Session 3, Control Structures, because jump statements are also part of control structures. There are 3 jump statements in Python: break, continue and pass. Break and continue should be used within loops. Break statement. Break statement brings the control out of the current loop. In this example, for I in range 1, 11, colon. So here this range function generates values from 1 to 10. If I is equal to 5, colon, break, else colon, print I, comma, end is equal to space. So here when the condition I is equal to 5 is true, this break statement is executed. When the condition is true, this break statement is executed. So in this example, when will the condition be true? When I becomes 5. So here in the output, it is printed 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I becomes 5, the condition is true, break is executed. So break statement brings the control out of the loop. Continue statement. Continue statement skips the remaining part of the loop and starts the next iteration. For I in range 1, 11, colon, if I greater than 4 and I less than 8. So the condition I greater than 4 and I less than 8. Whenever this condition is true, this continue statement is executed. So when will this condition be true? When I is 5, 6, 7. I greater than 4 and I less than 8 means whenever I is 5, 6, 7. So here you see in the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. Here you see 5, 6, 7 is missing, because whenever the condition is true, the continue statement has been executed. So what does the continue statement do? It skips the remaining part of the loop and brings the control to the beginning of the loop to start the next iteration. So you can see the continue statement brings the control to the beginning of the loop to start the next iteration. Pass statement. Pass is a null statement. Nothing happens when pass is executed. It is usually used as a placeholder in Python. So here name is equal to input, enter your name. If name not equal to Anu, so this is my condition. If name not equal to Anu, so when this condition is true, this pass will be executed. So here you see when I run this program, enter your name. When I give the input Priya, here you check the condition, Priya not equal to Anu. So the condition is true. So here pass is executed. So what happens? Pass means just ignore it. Nothing, do nothing. So what happens? Without doing anything, the control comes out. You can see the control comes out. It comes out of the if else block. Okay, so when you run the program for the next time, and this time you give the input as Anu, so here the condition will be Anu not equal to Anu, which is false. So the control will jump to the else part and print hello plus name, which is hello plus Anu, which is hello Anu. students.